All right, guys, I got one for you this week. Check it out. Working Man back at it again. What we have here is a Mmtowus hitch receiver. We're going to unbox it together. But I saved you the time. I actually cut the tape, so you're not sitting here watching me untape this and do it for 5 to 10 minutes going, man, this guy can't even open up tape. So here we go. Haven't had this on the truck. Oh, this is actually pretty nice. We have instructions. Look at this receiver, guys. I mean, check it out. Look at this. Oh, this is nice. You know what? I actually like the way they got this in the styrofoam like that. Nice 2 5/16 on one side. Nice 2-inch on this side. And check it out. The 2 5/16, 18,500 pounds. 2-inch, 8,000 pounds. I'm going to set that to the side here. Look in the goodie bag. See what we got going on here. What's in here? Oh, okay. We got the pins. We got the pins, guys. These are the pins we're going to use here in a minute. Comes with keys. Comes actually with a not spare keys here too. Okay. Now to the main. Look how nice this is. You got 2 options here. One for you want it close to the truck or further. Look at all these options of how far you can go up or down with the hitch. Let's go put this in. All these keys here. All aluminum, guys. Look at this. Is a good chunk of steel, and it's not even that heavy. It's actually a nice, good weight, but it's solid. It's a solid steel, or solid aluminum. Sorry. Nice, good aluminum piece. And you know what? Do I want it further in? Do I want it further out? My truck is actually a Dodge Ram diesel. I might actually prefer it a little bit ways out. This looks like it has a cap on it. Man, this is a nice receiver. I don't think I've seen a receiver as nice as this one. Oh, nice. Okay, it has a nice little seal on it. You push the seal back. Okay. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look how nice that thing is right there. Let me put this cap on here. Screw this back on here. I actually like how they have this cap here, even though you really don't need it, but it's actually a nice feature to keep the keyway section from probably rusting out and stuff, you know. It protects that keyway. All right, let's get the actual other piece here. Check this out, guys. Look at that. Look how nice and bulky this is. So my trailer here is a car trailer. Takes a 2-inch ball. So if I want to do a 2-inch, I put it on here. My toy hauler takes a 2 5/16 ball. But check it out. If I want my toy hauler, since my toy hauler sits up higher, look at this. I could raise it up for my toy hauler up to 2 5/16. Now, my trailer, my car trailer, sits a little bit lower. And it's a 2-inch ball. So with a 2-inch ball, look at this, guys. Flip it around. If I want to go a little bit lower for my car trailer, look at that. Tell me that doesn't beat having multiple receivers right there you got to carry around in your truck. Look how nice. And look at this thing. This thing just looks nice. All right. Now, let's bolt this thing up here. Has a nice little cap on this one too. I like it because you know what? No one's going to steal this. You don't got to. I actually had one where I actually got stolen, and it wasn't one of these. It was a generic one you get. You know what? We can keep it 2 inches. I'm getting ready to go to the river here pretty soon, so I'm actually going to keep it at 2-inch. And my boat sits probably right around there. And if I have to, I'll adjust it, you know. Oh, I love the options for all the height. I love that. Just look at that thing. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I'll tell you what, if you guys don't have one of these Mmtowus hitches, you guys got to go get one, man. This thing is awesome. All right, guys, that's it for the week.